Hello and welcome. I am Kunal Kashyap. Today we will discuss one of the most important questions going around your mind at this point of time, and that is whether the ICMAI will conduct an online or offline exam. Many of us believe that the online exam got started only due to COVID, or else, like CS and CA, ICMAI would have continued with the paper pen-based exam. Well, friends, I would say that ICMAI is way ahead on this point if compared with other professional bodies. They had already researched on it and found that the online exam is much more advantageous for students in comparison to an offline exam. They already were working on how to conduct an online exam by the year 2021 or 2022, and they were researching on how to set an ideal question paper, how to arrange exam centers with so many computer systems, or how Hindi medium students would give their exam, and many more points they were researching on. And all of a sudden, we were attacked by the COVID, and it was not getting over, so they had to simply prepone their plan for the year 2022 in December 2020. Although there were so many critics against online exam, but still ICMAI successfully conducted their first online exam in December 2020. Just before the exam, December 2020 exam, CMA Balwinder Singh sir had conducted a webinar and briefed the advantages of ICMAI. What ICMAI feels will be beneficial for students if online exams are conducted. And the points he briefed are as follows. The first benefit, according to him, would be convenience of students. So friends, nowadays, major of us have computer system at home. If not, we can borrow it for a few days for examination. Even if 50-60% students could manage to arrange a computer system, ICMAI will require to take care of only 40% of students. With this, there will be no overcrowding at exam center. And at this time of COVID, we can conveniently give our exam sitting at home or even at exam center. According to him or institute, you can say, the second benefit is a standardization of marking and removal of human error. So, when human being is evaluating the question paper, the risk of wrong marking by human evaluators and difference in mark allotted by different evaluators will be minimized because majority of the exam will be objective type. Yes, in the last exam, we had seen that passing percentage suddenly improved, and it was criticized by many because how so many CMA would get a job. But fairness is the beauty of online examination. If you have studied well, no one can fail you. Now, no one can say that my exams went well, I studied well, still the examiner failed me to control the passing percentage of institute. As far job to passed out CMAs are concerned, ICMAI is trying its best to place maximum students possible. This year till now, it has already placed around 600 students. Although it is less in comparison to students passed out, but still the placements are on. And this time, if online exam takes place, we may presume to have more difficult question paper, so that only the best candidate, the best one becomes the CMA. Third benefit is timely result. We can save time because computer will do marking and all. Fourth point is the exams are more secure due to double proctoring. Yes, they will have double proctoring, human and remote. Although there are critics who say that home-based exam, in the home-based exam, there is possibility of cheating, but in professional exam, you can never depend on cheating. Yes, you cannot depend, you cannot rely on cheating to pass out, because in a very less time you have to answer so many questions, that too indirect ones, case study based. So how will you cheat and how will you complete the paper? And that too when you are under surveillance. Already over camera, somebody is looking after you. The fifth point is exam paper remains secret. Yes, the exam paper will remain secret and there will be no leaking of exam paper. The sixth point is the paper will be it will be different for all students. Seventh point is students can take the exam from their home and save the travel time and the additional time spent at centers. Many of the ICMAI students are working individuals. They want a qualification to grow in their professional career. So this is the best thing ICMAI could do for such. Also, ICMAI has very less exam centers, so it will definitely save a lot of time for many students. We will get more time to revise. Earlier, we used to spend a lot of time in traveling to exam center, returning back, and many more things. But now, what we can do is we can simply complete the exam, and thereafter we can start revising it. And the last point is anyone can take the exam from anywhere, even if there are no centers available in their hometown or nearby towns. So these are the advantages highlighted by CMA Balwinder Singh sir in the webinar he conducted just before December 2020 exam. It is a long webinar of around 2 hours. You can Google it out, you can go through it because it will motivate you towards giving online exam instead of the traditional offline exam which we have been giving. And also prepare well so that in case if there is an offline exam instead of online, you are ready for it. At this point of time, you have to be ready for both the exams. Thank you and best of luck for upcoming exams. Like, subscribe and comment if you have any feedbacks for me.